Hi Kotaha, so today's maths lesson we're going to be looking at something called odd and even. Okay, so today's aim is to understand what an odd number is and also to understand what an even number is. So what is an odd number? An odd number has one out of the line. If a number ends with a 1, 3, 5, 7 or a 9, it's an odd number. So here it's 1, 3, see 1's missing. There's 5 here with 1 missing. Here's 7 with 1 missing. And here's 9 with 1 missing. There's always an odd one out, so there's always 1 missing. What is an even number? An even number has a mate, okay, has a friend. So an even number ends with a 0 or a 2 or a 4 or a 6 or an 8 or even 10. Okay, it's an even number. Even numbers are in the 2 times tables as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video shortly and let's see if you can write down all the odd numbers and the even numbers. So get a piece of paper or a whiteboard, okay, and here are the numbers here. 7, 1, 15, 3, 4, 20, 6, 13, 11, 9, 5, 16, 19, 10, 12, 18, 2, 17, 8, and 14. So I'm going to pause this and I'm going to give you a chance to work it out. Okay, so let's see how we get on. Okay, let's have a look at number 7. 7's an odd number. What about number 10? 10's an even number. 13 is an odd number. 20 is an even number. Okay. 18's an even number. 2's an even number. 12's an even number. 19's an odd number. Okay, we've got 16, it's an even number. 5 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number. 15 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. 4 is an even number. 6 is an even number. 11 is an odd number. 9 is an odd number. 17 is an odd number. 8's an even number. And 14 is an even number. So how did you get on, Kotaha? Okay, let's have a look. If you had an even number and an even number, or if you add an even number and an even number together, what type of number do you get? So if you've got an even number and another even number, what would you have? So for example, 2 plus 2. You'll always get an even number. If you have an odd number and an odd number together, so if you've got an odd number and another odd number, you'll always get an even number. Okay. If you have an odd number and an even number, what do you get? Well, you'll always get an odd number. So let's have a look at this again. If you have an even number and another even number, so for example 2 plus 2, that equals 4. So you're going to get an even number. If you have an odd number, let's say 3, and another odd number, let's say 3, then 3 plus 3 equals 6. So that is actually an even number. Okay, if you have 1 plus 1, that's 2. 2 is an even number. If you have an odd number and an even number, you always get an odd number. Okay, so how about you practicing writing your even numbers and odd numbers down? And again, once again, please take a photo of it or even a video and put it onto your Koroha Hero account. Okay, take care and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.